Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Welcome and welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading, bonus reading for Valentine's Day, February 2021. With me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, I would really appreciate your support, Scorpio, by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Scorpio, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy. The energy update for your soulmate and twin flame connection during this Valentine's week. So let's see what we have here, Scorpio, for you. Also, Scorpio, please note that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Scorpio, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, Scorpio, so let's look at into the reading that we have here. Now, the sign that I'm getting for you here, Scorpio, I've got a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. I'm getting a very strong air energy, especially Libra, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong Capricorn energy coming up here. So, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, any of this can be in your sign. Any of those signs can be in your chart or in your person chart. Now looking at the energy here, Scorpio, on this side is your energy and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the energy for this upcoming Valentine's Day, what is it that you can expect? So let's look at into your energy here, Scorpio. I've got the Knight of Cups, I've got the Devil energy coming up here, and then I've got the Justice energy coming up here as well. With the overall energy, the Four of, oh wow, look at this. I've got the Four of Wands, and then I've got the Ten of Pentacles coming up here as well. Definitely quite a good energy coming up for you here, Scorpio, especially with this Four of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles here. I feel like during this particular week, you are going to get a lot of insight, a lot of messages here. This can be telepathic messages or like coming up from dreams, signs, and synchronicities that is basically letting you know that this is your person, this is someone that you're supposedly to be with, this is your divine counterpart energy here. And even though at this point of time, some of you at this point of time, I'm getting like a very strong separation energy at this point of time here. So even though some of you here still in a separation, and I do feel like you are trying so hard to maintain balance within yourself, because I definitely understand that some of you here, due to this long-term separation that has been there between you and your person, you kind of like expecting that this particular week, this Valentine's Day week, is that the time that your person is going to reach out towards you, or at least saying some kind of messages, like just sending you some kind of messages. So you're definitely in that particular expectation here. Some of you here are kind of like feeling down, I would say, in a sense that you are not sure whether what you need to expect, I would say here, because of this long-term separation that has been there between you and your person. So part of you here wants to expect some sort of like messages to come towards you, but part of you here is kind of like, okay, if I put my hope high up, I'm the one who's actually going to get disappointed again. So this is why I'm getting like you're trying so hard to maintain the balance within yourself, especially with this Justice energy coming up here. And it's quite interesting here is that because I've got the Four of Wands coming up here and the Knight of Cups energy coming up here as well. So this Four of Wands energy, this is another confirmation of a very, very strong soul connection between you and your person here. So this is what I mean. In this particular week, you're going to get a lot of sign and synchronicities, and basically just letting you know this is it, this is your person, this separation is just temporary. Both of you are going to reunite again. That kind of messages will be coming up to you here in a form of dream. You could be dreaming about your person, or just like seeing their name, seeing the numbers, like just basically like being reminded, I would say here. And it's quite interesting, as you can see here with this Knight of Cups energy. Someone's actually holding out a bucket of roses coming up here. So a very strong romantic energy coming up here. So when I've got first thing like this here, Scorpio, I'm definitely getting that your person is going to come towards you and at least offer you something. Maybe not exactly a bouquet of flowers, maybe not exactly in like offering you the commitment or something like that, but a communication is going to happen in this particular week, even if it's just like a simple hi and hello thing coming up here. But there's definitely like going to be an attempt coming up from your person here to message you, coming up from your person here to communicate with you here. And another thing that you need to pay attention to here, Scorpio, is that I've got the devil energy coming up here as well. And it's quite interesting because I've got the devil and the justice energy coming up here. So I'm getting two different messages coming up for you here, Scorpio. Is that for some of you here, you will be getting your exes or your, like your karmic partner will also be trying to message you, trying to, trying to get your attention and just trying to, meeting you and get a hookup coming up here, I would say, with this devil energy. This is like definitely someone that you had a terrible past with, I would say, like for example, exes or someone that you just like gone through legal process, like legal separation, legal system. So make sure that you pay attention to your gut feeling, to your intuition, to discern all of this energy coming up towards you here. Now that's it for your energy here, Scorpio. So let's look into your person energy. Look at this. I've got the Six of Cups coming up here. Wow. The Ace of Pentacles. So this is what I mean, like expect some sort of like communication, expect some sort of like offer will be made towards you here, Scorpio. And then I've also got the Knight of Pentacles coming up here. So the first thing that I'm noticing here is that a very high jumped energy from this Knight of Cups to the King of Pentacles. And one more thing here with this devil energy and the justice card coming up here, this is basically talking about all the karmic contract or all the karmic situation between you and your person. The justice will be served in your favor. That is another message that I've got for you here, Scorpio. So looking at your person here with this Knight of Cups energy and the King of Pentacles energy coming up here, this is basically talking about a high transformational energy that you can see happening from your person. So it's like I'm definitely sensing that they are someone who's actually really, really romantic, like a very strong romantic energy coming up from them. And in the past, it's kind of like wishy-washy energy. Like for example, like the communication might not be on point. Like they will just be communicating with you whenever they feel like it. Like it's kind of like up and down thing, I would say, here in the past. So sometimes you can see them being really, really interested in you, and then the other time here you can see them like being okay, I'm just going to step back a bit, like kind of like feeling the distance energy coming out from them. So this is how has been happening between both of you in the past, I would say here, Scorpio. So with this King of Pentacles energy coming up here, this is someone that's actually really, really mature energy is what I'm getting here. And I've also got the Four of Pentacles coming up here as well. In the past, I feel like this particular week and also like beginning of this week here, you may not receive the message from them, or you may not see them reaching out towards you in the beginning of the week, because the beginning of the week here is the time that they're kind of like trying to like back and forth energy, like trying to see, okay, should I do this, should I not do that? That kind of energy is coming out from your person. But eventually they're going to make up their mind, like being the bigger person, I would say here, that they're going to be the bigger person here, and then coming back towards you. I've got the Six of Cups energy offering you something here, the Ace of Pentacles offering you some sort of like communication, a solid offer this coming Valentine's Day here, Scorpio. So this is something that you can expect from your person here. With this energy, the Six of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups, as you can see here. Oh wow, I just noticed this. Look at this little envelope coming up here with this heart energy. So this is what I mean, like there's definitely going to be like some sort of like messages. I'm definitely getting like a very strong messages coming up towards you here from your person here, Scorpio, this coming Valentine's Day. And with this Ace of Pentacles energy and then the King of Pentacles energy coming up here, whatever caused the separation between both of you, whatever caused, like the conflict between both of you here, especially the immaturity, the childishness, the wishy-washy energy coming out from your person, this is definitely going to disappear, or at least you're going to see your person coming up as a very, very mature person, I would say here, Scorpio. So definitely a wonderful energy, I would say here. There's definitely going to be a reunion, at least your person coming up towards you, offering you some sort of like communication here. They are definitely going to come towards you here, offering you communication or some sort of like an offer, I would say here, Scorpio, this coming Valentine's Day. And the advice card that I've got for you here, Scorpio, I've got Sanctuary, and then look at this celebration energy coming up here. So this coming Valentine's Day will be full of celebration between you and your person. This is finally like both of you are going to come back to the communication, I would say here. So celebration, a positive outcome is assured. Celebrate your success, enjoy your achievements. So a positive outcome is definitely assured between you and your person here, Scorpio. And then I've got the sanctuary energy coming up here. Take your time out of the work, spend more time alone, meditate or go on retreat. So this is what I mean. In the beginning of the week, this particular beginning of the week of this week here, you may not see the communication coming out from your person until towards mid or the later at the end of the week, I would say here, Scorpio. So what you need to do here is that trying to maintain balance within yourself. Keep on doing this affirmation, keep on doing manifesting here, because do not let your fear and your doubt coming and control you, I would say here, Scorpio. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates with you, Scorpio. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.